I've made 4 coasters today and it didn't take me very long. I'm a bit of a speedy now. So my name's Tash, I'm from Heart of Design and I encourage all things creative, and I've been dabbling in punch needling. These are the coasters that I have made today. I tried to do them in the same sort of colours so that they could be like a matching set. Now the reason why I did 4 is because I had this new frame, and it means you can have kind of like a bigger space to work on. You can do more than one at a time. And this frame that I bought, it was $13.99 off a well-known online store, and I'll show you now how you clip the fabric into place, which you would normally have done before obviously you've made this. I'll show you how. So I've just laid the fabric across it, as you can see, which this will be the working side, so this is the back side. Then what you do is you clip in these little clips on the side, so you can go all the way around and do all sides. Hang on 1 minute, I'm trying to do it one-handed. Okay, so you have all 4 on, and then what you do is you twist it so that the fabric's really tight. You just twist each one around. I'll show you now. Can you see how it's gotten really tight? And then I'll do the same. Oh, this one isn't on properly. Hang on, my cat's trying to get in on the action. So I'm twisting and twisting so it's really tight. Can you see now how, having tightened it all the way around, I'm sorry, moving around a lot, I'm trying to do it one-handed with the phone, and then twist again. Now you can see, look how tight it is, and it's that simple. So if you're thinking of punch needling, I would get one of these frames. And there's a proper side round so you can see them looking nice. Obviously it's wonky because I didn't really put them in perfectly because I was doing it one-handed, but you get the gist. If I'd have put the fabric on first, and then you can draw your templates in the inside. They're really good and an inexpensive way. This was a 25 centimetre by 25 centimetre, and I think there was the option for 40 by 40, and I thought, for me at the moment it's just a bit of a hobby. I don't need anything that big, but I might change my mind and then I can do little mini rugs and things like that, little doormats. So yeah, punch needling for you.